And onward to our next presentation from Novare Products. And we have Wayne here who's going to do that presentation. So welcome, Wayne. And I'll be quiet.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone, for hosting this event. It's been something we've been looking forward to for about a week. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. I'm Wayne Crolley with Novare Products, and what we have developed is an assistive technology that provides access above 48 inches. The problem statement is that there is a pervasive and largely unaddressed accessibility barrier above 48 inches for people who use wheelchairs, are of limited stature. And you can see here, kitchen cabinets are installed at 52 inches high, closet shelves are 84 inches high, laundry area shelves are 60 inches or greater. And a wheelchair user's reach is 48 inches. And as people age, they lose shoulder abduction, range of motion in their shoulder. And at 65, you have about 120 degrees or less, which is just barely above your head. So the problem we're trying to solve is how do we make this accessibility? It's an issue for 250,000 veterans, 3.6 million wheelchair users, the 3 million or more that have upper limb disabilities. And it's interesting that 76% of people 55 and older in 2021 said they preferred to age in place. 73 million will be 65 and older by 2030. So this barrier exists in homes, workplaces, in any transportation, assisted living centers, government facilities, and recreational area. And the problem is that not only is it inaccessible, but there really are not any alternatives out there. Footstools or step ladder. I actually spoke to somebody the other day whose great grandmother moved everything out of her wall cabinet and put it on top of her counter so she could get to it. Those things like a footstool and step ladder are risky, unsafe. And there are a few products out there that claim to offer accessibility to wall cabinets. Some of them require you to manually lower and raise them. Most of them only lower about a foot or a little more and only lower straight down. So there's still a limited accessibility with those products. Prices for these lowering cabinets start at $2,500. I've seen as high as $4,000. And the challenge is accessibility from a purchasing perspective. Customers are not aware because these products are not in the mainstream distribution and marketing channels. And so they're unaware of the products and they can't get to them. And of course they can't purchase them. All of these things kind of bundle up into more barriers of safety, usability, efficacy, and affordability. So the solution we think is out there is ideally to remove all these barriers, complexity barrier, provide full of accessibility, whatever the cabinet lowers to be, that should be more like an appliance than anything else, no custom installation. There should be a usability barrier elimination by allowing people to choose how they interact and operate with the product. The way we see to overcome this accessibility barrier is with robotics. And those robotics need to lower 3 feet or greater, but in order to do that, they need to move in front of objects underneath so that they can lower completely to the floor. The other part of that solution we see is to make these products widely accessible through broad appeal. So if you design a product that everybody wants to use and it provides accessibility, it will make it into mainstream marketing and distribution channels, and it will help us raise awareness of accessibility issues that are out there today. And there are some huge markets in assistive technology, the kitchen wall cabinet industry, and smart furniture that we could take advantage of to help promote these products. We began developing the solution in 2019. We have shown here our lab work that our contractors did for building the prototype. And then of course, on the right, we see a CAD version of what the prototype looks like. But I'm going to show you what the product in end state is going to look like with this technology. Here we see a washing machine just below this cabinet. And you can see the robotics are lowering. They're actually coming out and lowering in front of the washing machine and dryer beneath it. This allows for full accessibility. That's about 3 feet off the floor so that anyone in a wheelchair could access everything in that cabinet. This is a product specifically for wheelchair users, but of course, many different types of users may be interested in that and want to put it in their homes. Here's a product we're developing for reduced shoulder abduction. And as you can see, the light comes on as an indicator of motion, and then the cabinet lowers, providing accessibility right about the eye level for everything on the top shelf. And you can see the doors open, there's light, the circadian lighting that we want to put in the product and make that easier for senior citizens, older adults, and people with disabilities. We have been out talking about our product, sharing it with people. We did a survey of 1,000 users, age 55 to 85, about a product, and we received a 2.75 sentiment score out of 5 for our product. We've also already received 2 awards, the Caregiver Friendly Award from caregiver.com, and then the 2023 Innovation Award, during which we presented at the Tech Connect World Innovation Conference. The great news is that we've recently had a patent awarded for our robotic technology, and so we're moving forward with development of these products. I think the most important aspect, and we focus on this daily, is how we can deliver products that promote the dignity of independent living. And I think that underscores really what we're trying to do here at Novare. You're welcome to join us on our journey as we continue to bring these products to market. You can connect with us through email or go to our website, as you see here. Follow us on LinkedIn. I want to thank everyone for your time and appreciate this opportunity very much.